911, where's your emergency?
I-4, right before exit 118, heading west. These guys are shooting at people out of a Toyota Camry.
Okay.
Well,
You said
a shooting out my window.
Okay, I-4 by the 118?
Yes. They're well before
Okay.
118. We're not 20.
Going east or westbound?
They're going west.
Alright. Air 1's going to start calling it right lane, high speed.
Air 1, can you patch Air 1 with LE2 so alert can monitor?
Exiting off the Saxon. Alright, exiting toward the Deltona side. Coming across the I-4 bridge now on Saxon. Continuing on Saxon left lane. Swerving in and out, a lot of traffic.
He's got to end up on Deltona Boulevard.
No, U-turn on Drayton back to Finland, heading back toward the Publix.
Get I-4 shut down. Don't let him get back on I-4.
Coming to you, coming to you. Coming back out to Saxon. Looks like it's going to be going against traffic. Nope, yeah, turning left. Saxon toward I-4.
Y'all watch it. He's going on with traffic.
Alright, continuing toward, across the bridge.
Watch out, units. He's going head on with it. Going North City.
Yeah. Left lane.
Got the big intersections down, guys.
Alright, guys, let's not have a train. Let's get up 6. Only 2 units behind that vehicle with Air 1.
Opposite traffic, coming up the VMP. Almost signal 4. Passing the hospital. Middle lane. Through Threadgill, continuing on, coming up to Enterprise now. Going to be going left on Enterprise.
63 is a high bank. You said left on Enterprise, everyone?
Yep, going toward High Banks. He's riding a middle turn lane right now. High speed, passing Fawn Ridge. Not just switched back to the left lane. All right, through Deltona Boulevard, continuing on Enterprise. Almost signal 4. Well, we have spin out. Pepperwood, signal 4. Pepperwood, roll over.
Central Star Rescue. Coming.
Back upright, get ready for bailout. Passenger, gray hoodie. Another one, black shirt. They're both going into the woods from the rear of the car. Black shirt, jeans, gray hoodie, black pants. One of them's right behind the car. One of them for that unit. I got my eyes on the other one. Just take care of that one for right now. Unmarked, 15 yards into the woods is the other one from your front of your car.
Do not go in the woods. Start setting up a perimeter, type 4.
He's sitting down. About 15 yards in the woods. I got eyes on him.
23 Central, we got 1 secure so far. Hey, other units, let's start setting up a perimeter. 41 is behind. If he runs this way, I can see him.
He's sitting down in that brown dead grassy area. He's not moving.
A little more right, you're right on him, 5 yards. K9's in contact.
Get back, the dog's in there. Twenty-three Central, we got air secure.
90 Central, it's clear the channel. Get us rescue. Rescue's around Pepperwood. Do you need them somewhere else or there?
Enterprise just south of Deltona.